Hi, welcome to Nichecraft. My name is Cassie and I'm your host, and today is Mystery Box Monday, which is one of my favorite days and I hope it's one of yours. And I have more mystery boxes from Wild Poppy Yarns. I absolutely loved my last mystery box and I could not wait to get more, so I ordered some more. So we have got two different boxes. One of them is their mystery grab bag, which comes with one of their drawstring totes here. And from what I understood, it comes with one hank of yarn and one mini. And then the bag, of course. And then I got another box. This is not the sock box, but the different box that they offer. And it's just, I wanted to get one of each one of the mystery boxes they offer. So we're going to open them. And I do have to admit that I already opened them. I was so excited when they came in the mail that I just couldn't help but look at them. And they had come before when I was still recovering from surgery, so I was like, I don't feel very well and I just really want to open them. So that's why I did that. So before I begin, I just want to tell everybody, if you want to shop Wild Poppy Yarns, they have a Etsy store, which I will link in that description. Okay, so I just wanted to get that out of the way. If you like this, then you'll have a link to shop for them, and it's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just a regular link. And I just wanted to say welcome to anybody who's new. I really hope you enjoy this video. And for those of you who are coming back, I love you guys. I've missed you so much. And I'm really glad that we are getting back together for this Mystery Box Monday. So why don't we open this one first? So I just wanted to show you the bag first. It's a drawstring bag, but it's got like it's kind of like one of those backpacks. So like you can pull it tight like this, and then you've got the kind of backpack strings on the back there. I really love it. It's big enough to hold a lot of yarn, especially if you're working on socks. So I just wanted to mention that. Now it also came with a promo code 50% or 15% off your next purchase. And then, you know, of course, the thank you for your business and all of that kind of stuff. It has a thank you sticker, which I think are so cute. And of course, their card here. So I just wanted to show you that. And these were both wrapped in tissue paper, so I just wanted to make sure you guys knew that the presentation was really beautiful. Okay, I don't want you guys to think that they didn't go above and beyond. I mean, like, I personally can't afford this stuff, so I can't afford to put in all of these little things here with my own stuff. So, you know, it's definitely appreciated when a business goes, oops, I bumped off of you. When a business is able to go like really above and beyond to take care of those people who order from them. So this I thought was absolutely beautiful when I saw it. It's got blues. It's like a light blue, and then it's got blue and this kind of it's like a pink speckling. Really gorgeous. And this is called Brand New Day. I love that colorway. I think it's a really great idea. I love the speckling. I think it's done really well. I have not ventured into speckling myself yet as an independent dyer, although I definitely want to try. Let me kind of amend that. I have done speckling, but not as a colorway to sell on my Etsy store. So I haven't done that yet, so I always admire it when someone has kind of mastered that. So I really like the speckling. This is 100% superwash blue-faced Leicester wool, okay? And I keep thinking, maybe I should get some. It's really springy. It's really soft. Now, when it's superwash, that means that it's not going to felt. If you kind of agitate it a little bit. I mean, of course, you don't want to agitate any kind of wool too much, but it's always a little bit better when you hand wash it and that kind of stuff, when it's a super wash. We have 246 yards, and this is a 100 gram skein, and this is a DK or a light worsted weight, and the care is on the reverse, and of course they've got their logo here. I love these little labels that they make too. So that's what we got. And then we have the mini skein, which is 100% superwash merino. It is 46 yards, of course 20 grams, and this is also a DK or a light worsted weight, and it matches perfectly. So for example, if I was to make socks with this, I could do like the heel in this color and it would match really well. So I just wanted to kind of show you that. I really love my purchase. I always love my purchases with them. So I just wanted to mention that I was more than happy when I saw this. Let's go ahead and take these apart and see. So this mini skein here, you know, it's kind of hard to do a solid when you're an indie dyer. This actually looks a little bit like it was dip dyed, in that this at the top is a lot lighter than at the bottom. So it looks like it was a gradient. Let me put it like that so you can see. Looks like it's kind of like one of those gradients that they can make there, which I think is pretty. Yeah, really nice. And then let's go ahead and take apart this one too. I don't mean to really take it apart. I just mean open it up. Just look at it all throughout the whole skein. And as you can see, it's very consistent throughout. Here we've got a place here where there's a little bit more pink, but I absolutely love that. Here we've got some where the color didn't penetrate as much, but again, it's just gorgeous. It's perfect. I think that is an absolutely gorgeous colorway. I am so happy with it, and you can really tell that the Wild Poppy yarns, they really care about dyeing, because they have all of these really amazing colorways that it shows that they've really paid attention to different kinds of techniques. They have multiple techniques they use, and they're obviously really passionate about what they do, and I couldn't recommend them enough. All right, so let's move on to the other box. And so, of course, we've got another nice presentation. I think I've said this before, but again, I can't afford, you know, these pretty boxes for my Etsy store. Maybe one day I will be able to, but I definitely appreciate the presentation. And again, these were wrapped in tissue paper as well. And this is what I got in this. So we have the 3 mini skeins, and then the main color, and again, all the same things that we had in the bag is in the box. We've got the thank you sticker, the card, of course this, thank you for your business, and the promo code, which I'm covering up, which is 15% off your next purchase. So it's great. And I mean, this is 100% baby alpaca. It's in the colorway Blossom, which is absolutely beautiful. Yeah. And it's, like I said, it's 100% baby alpaca, 291 yards per 100 gram skeins. This is a 3-ply sport weight. So sport weight is a number 2, and care on the reverse here. So that's really pretty. And then this is the exact same thing. We've got 3 mini skeins in these different colors that all go together. And it's 100% baby alpaca, 3 20-gram hanks, 58 yards on each one of these hanks. And it's also a 3-ply sport weight, which is a weight 2. So let me go ahead and open these up a little bit so we can look inside. So this one appears to be a little bit darker than this, but it's obviously in the same colors. This looks to be a solid of one of the pinks, like the one right there here that's in that speckling. And this one seems to be a pastel of this. I'm not certain though, but it certainly goes together well, doesn't it? Again, this would make, any of these mini skeins would make great for like a toe and a heel or something like that in a sock. And yeah, let's open this up here. And as you can see, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. Very, very gorgeous, very consistent throughout. There are places where it's a little bit darker, places where it's a little bit lighter. The speckling is really pretty, and I think it looks really great against all of these three. I'm going to go ahead and open this one up because I want to see what the speckling looks like on this one compared to the other one. So in this one, you can just see how it's a little bit darker, and this is more purpley, whereas the other one is just a little bit more pink. Yeah. So that is my Mystery Box Monday. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I absolutely love this company, Wild Poppy Yarns, and let me just get out the other one so we can see those as well. It's just an absolutely wonderful company. I've shown you a few of their yarns, and I just could not recommend them enough. Of course, it's kind of bad business to recommend another company for dyed yarn, but oh my gosh, it's so good. I can't keep them. I can't keep them a secret because they're just too great for me not to mention. So I really hope that you enjoyed today's Mystery Box Monday. I'm really excited about this week. I've got a whole bunch of videos planned for you, so look for those. And I also have some new items hitting my shop. So if you want to check out my Etsy store, anytime during the rest of the day, you'll see some new items in there, including a new colorway that I just launched. So I will see you soon in another video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Make sure to get into that giveaway. I still have a giveaway going on, so if you have not entered, go ahead and find that video, watch it, and enter to win. There's a lot of really great stuff in it, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye for now.